In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch the Chess.com Computer Chess Championship. If you've ever wondered where the world's strongest chess engines battle it out, this is the page you want. The quickest way to get there is to type or paste Chess.com Computer Chess Championship into your browser's address bar and hit enter. That link takes you straight to the action with no extra clicks, and it works on both desktop and mobile. Use a modern browser for the smoothest experience, especially when watching live streams or interactive boards. If you're already on the chess.com website and prefer to navigate, hover over the More option in the left-hand menu and select Computer Championship. This route is handy if you like browsing around first or if you forget the direct link. Either approach lands you on the same hub where all the matches, archives, and tools live. Once you're on the page, you can watch live games or dive into past matches. Live games show the current round as it unfolds, while the archive lets you replay entire events at your own pace. Replays usually include timestamps and move lists, so you can jump to critical moments or study openings and endgames without spoilers. As the games run, you'll see the engine's suggested moves and evaluations in real time. Look for the evaluation bar and principal variation lines. They show which side the engines prefer and the sequence of moves they consider best. If the numbers swing sharply, that often means a blunder or a brilliant tactical shot just happened. Slowing down and reading the top lines can help you understand why a position is winning, drawing, or slipping. There's also a chat section to talk with other viewers while you watch. Many events embed a Twitch stream, and you might need to follow the Twitch channel before you can post messages. Even if you don't plan to chat, keeping the panel open can be useful for updates from moderators and commentary highlights. For a broader perspective, check the tournament statistics and results. Standings, head-to-head records, and performance summaries help you compare engines and spot patterns, like which opening families an engine excels at or struggles with. This context makes the live evaluations much more meaningful. Finally, some events invite you to participate in voting for best moves or game outcomes. When voting is available, act promptly. The window usually closes before the next move appears. It's a fun way to test your intuition against cutting-edge analysis. That's all you need. Use the direct link or the site's menu, explore live and archived games, watch the evaluations, chat if you like, review the stats, and jump into voting when it's offered. Enjoy the championship.